Have you been looking for a Cape style home with plenty of square footage and a very convenient location? My name is Matt with Premier Real Estate. Welcome to 91 Rivulet Street, Uxbridge, Mass. Now this is one of the homes that you're going to have to see for yourself in person. It could be a little bit deceiving from the street view. You'll drive by it, you notice the landscaping, the professional look of it, the curb appeal is A+, but you might just think, hey, it's a Cape style. It is, but it's not just a Cape style. What I'm about to say is true, but you might not believe me, which is why you need to see this home for yourself in person. We are 5 beds, 2.5 baths, and over 3,600 square feet of living area. You heard me right, over 3,600 square feet of living area. So the options are endless. Large family, multi-generational family, home office, whatever the case may be, you have options here at Rivulet Street. Location's great. You're gonna love the access to all things highways, under 10 minutes to Route 146, close to Hannaford's, close to CVS, all your shopping needs covered, restaurants are close by. So there's a whole lot to love here and a whole lot of house to see. So let's come on in, take a look. Can't wait to show you around. Welcome home. Here we are coming in from probably what's going to be your most used entrance. This is up the side, so you parked in your garage, walked across your beautiful patio, up onto your patio here, and then coming into your kitchen. And automatically you're just going to be drawn to the warmth and the welcoming vibes here. The hardwood flooring is gleaming, gorgeous. The cabinets are all custom made, and you're going to love the appliances here. We have double oven, stainless steel fridge, dishwasher, and then you also have a brand new gas cooktop stove. So you're actually gonna be the first person to ever cook on this stove. And you notice the large space here in this kitchen, so you could easily add an island if you wanted, if you needed more prep space, cook space, hanging out space, but nice wide open, feels very spacious in this kitchen. Now, what I'm gonna show you next might be my favorite room in the house. I know it might be weird to say this is my favorite room, but how awesome is this pantry slash washroom? Storage space, what every kitchen needs. You have it in spades here. Very nice room. It has its own double windows, hardwood flooring, and then first floor laundry. So super convenient here right on the main level. Flowing beautifully from your kitchen into your dining room. And you're gonna love the open layout here. So if you are in the kitchen cooking, have the friends and family over that are over here, it doesn't feel like you're in a cave back there. It's nice open, it's wide. The hardwood flooring continues in here. We do have some beautiful picture frame woodwork, just gorgeous hardwood flooring here in this room. You're gonna love the triple window, so a ton of natural light coming in here in this dining room. And then on this first floor too, you're gonna notice all the radiator covers. They are beautiful, they are custom made. So cool feature here. Let's continue on. Here we are coming into your center hall. So we mentioned this is a center hall Cape. So here's the center hall down the center. And then your front door is through here. So if you do have some guests coming over, beautiful hardscape again, nice walkway coming up here. But let's continue on this way into your first living room. You kind of have your second one downstairs, but good space in here, nice size. You got the couch set up, TV here in the corner, similar to your dining room. Beautiful windows in here, letting in plenty of natural light. Here we do have a wood burning fireplace. On those cooler nights, crank that up, a nice little spot to enjoy. It is functioning, they are using it, and they are gonna leave a different or additional wood mantle here. So if you wanted to beef that up, you could do that as well. All right, now another favorite room in the house of mine. I might have a couple. The pantry, washroom being one, this being the second. This den is nice, beautiful, sunshine, bright, open. I could see cracking a cold one, glass of wine, chilling in here, or perhaps just reading that book. Or hey, home office, you might need that for your lifestyle. This could be a cool setup here. And then you do have a second access down out to your side yard here in this den as well. One thing you will notice here at Rivulet is the storage space. You're gonna have a lot of that. So down this center hall, we do have 2 large closets for any guests, coats, whatnot. But let's check out your first of 3 bedrooms on this first floor. Here's a great sized room, hardwood flooring, plenty of lighting with the 2 windows coming in here. One feature that I want to point out now, so I don't forget, every bedroom has the room darkening shade, so that's awesome. Pull those down nice and dark in here for sleeping better. We do have a good sized closet here in this room as well. Bedroom number 2 is also a good size. You'll notice the larger furniture in here fits just perfect. We have the corner hutch, nice size closet, 2 corner windows, looking into your side and backyard. And here we are in bedroom 3 on your main level. Again, you'll notice the size of these, right? This isn't your cookie cutter, new construction colonial bedroom. These are nice size. There's a lot of space in here. 2 sets of dressers, drawers, easily have more furniture in here if you need it. Nice size bed, nice size closet in this room as well. Here's your first floor bath. You're gonna enjoy the shower tub with tiling, tile on the floor, nice vanity, and a decent sized closet for your linen needs. Here at Rivulet, you're also gonna enjoy central air conditioning, natural gas heat, and then one neat feature here. A lot of the character has been preserved between the trim, the wood, and check out these glass doorknobs. So most of the doorknobs on this first level are glass, which I just think is super cool. Now let's come upstairs and check out the additional 2 beds and second full bath. You're gonna love this. This was an addition, and when they did this, the seller was smart, the contractors were smart. I've been in plenty of capes that have had dormers and blowouts, if you will, but check out the ceiling height. I'm 6'4", and I do not feel claustrophobic at all up here. This whole hallway, these 2 bedrooms are absolutely massive. This one in particular, absolutely gonna love this. This is a king size bed. Looks fairly small in here, if I'm gonna be honest, which is great. Nice double window in the corner. Easily have any type of furniture set up here, bureaus, you name it. You have the ceiling fan in here. Central air is also up here as well. And then you're gonna notice these 3 closets. These aren't just Eve closets, these are custom. So you have shelves, a bar for hanging clothes, etc. Wonderful space up here. Now let's check out the second bedroom up here. And as we do, you'll notice up here, the way that this is set up, this could easily be a full upstairs primary suite. Or if you wanted a home office in one, your bedroom in the other, workout room in one, you name it, playroom in the other, could easily convert this whole suite. Maybe, in-laws living up here, whatever you need, we got you covered here. The space allows for unique possibilities for your specific needs. Bedroom number 2, also a great size. Again, on this side, these custom cabinets, I shouldn't say cabinets, custom closets, easily have your dressers, drawers, all that storage needed, and you even have additional storage here. When you get here in person, you can check that out, which is the Eve storage. So storage is not an issue here at 91 Rivulet. We have that plenty. And upstairs, you have your second full bath. You'll notice shower tub with tile, which is very nice. Tile flooring in here, and then your double vanity. So that's smart if you got a couple kids, maybe sharing this upstairs space, they don't have to fight over getting ready space. And when you get here in person, you have to check out behind here. This is more Eve storage. So they do have closed cell foam insulation blown in, but there is a ton of storage in here. No luggage, boxes, that sort of thing. Maybe the Christmas tree, but great storage through here as well. Now let's check out your finished lower level. How great is this space? In this finished space alone, we are close to 1,000 square feet. We do have the engineered hardwood here, the recessed lighting, plenty of space for all sorts of activities. You have the nice entertainment center here with a large TV. Over in the corner here, we do have a natural gas stove, so just flip a switch. That turns on, warms up this room really nice if you're having the family friends over for a get-together. I can already hear the cheers for the Patriots games coming up in the fall, everyone hanging out here. Just a super unique, versatile space. This could be the playroom, again, workout room, music room, whatever you need. The space abounds, right? So let your imagination run. We also do have your last bath down here, which is a half bath. So it's a nice size, nice vanity. And off the corner here is your bulkhead. So if you are having that family gathering outside, you could easily have a setup where, hey, guests are just coming in here, using your half bath and not going through the rest of the house. In this corner here, storage continues, right? And then how cool is this little nook? We got its own special light. This is kind of like the Harry Potter closet, but I see a reading nook, hangout nook, the pillows for any little ones. I'm sure that would be a hit, really cool spot there. And then through this door here, when you get here in person, this is your unfinished section. It is big, it is large. There's plenty of storage. You could easily build shelves, you name it. It runs the length of the foundation, so storage is not an issue here at 91 Rivulet. Welcoming you outside, you're gonna love the space here. We're just under 1/3 of an acre off one of your main entrances here. We do have a nice composite patio with a nice roof over it. You have the ceiling fan, a perfect spot to hang out, put the chairs, just relax outside. And then in between your 2-car garage and your house, you have some beautiful hardscaping. So beautiful professional hardscape area, great spot to put the grill, table, you name it. And then it opens very nice into your backyard. This is a picturesque lawn, have irrigation, been professionally maintained. We have the white privacy fence set up for most. The yard itself is entirely fenced in. So if you have those furry friends, you can let them free. You have the kids, don't have to worry. They're all fenced in, they're protected there. Great spot for the cookout, hanging out with the friends and family. Just a beautiful backyard here at 91 Rivulet. This Cape home has it all and is absolute showstopper. We are 5 beds, 2.5 baths, over 3,600 square feet of living area when you count in the finished lower level. We have a 2-car garage. You're gonna love the fenced in yard. Great little lot, flat, level, convenient location, all close to shopping, highways, and more. So much to love here, so much to see. We need to get you in here to see this for yourself, to feel it and really appreciate this home. My name is Matt with Premier Real Estate, looking to get you in here for your second showing.